Hello, this is a video in series of the three parts which make the mallet. As usual, we start with saving the drawing. And this is part 1C, handle insert, and saved in the correct folder. Then we open the sketch. Doesn't matter where we sketch. And then draw the first sketch, which will be formed out of a tool called the slot. I will use the center point slot, and this is the one, and we do the outside, which is 40 millimeters wide, and then the length of it, which I will do half, which is 30. And that forms 60 from end to end. I will then do the second slot. Again, the center point slot. And this is 25. And then end to end, I'll do half, because zoom in a bit, we'll do half to the center, and then that's not the center, so I'll do it again, press shift to get the end, and then the center, shift to get the end, press escape, then I press shift, get the end of that, and the middle point, and this will be 20 to make half of the shape which I need. So that shape is now already complete. So all we have to do is do an extrude. Click on the small house. Put the overall length, which is 60. Press enter. So that's the shape. Then there's a hole on one side. There's a hole on one side. So pick that side. Do a sketch. So pick a circle. Do a circle. Do a circle, 6 millimeters, and then extrude that. You can either drag this out or put extrude cut. That will make that hole. So that hole is supposed to be 26 millimeters from the side where is the chamfer, which I didn't put. So we go back to the sketch, edit the sketch, and then we put that dimension as 26 millimeters. Finish sketch, and then on this side we need to put a chamfer. So the chamfer is 5 mils on that edge. 5 mils, and that finishes this part ready for the assembly.